Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford and I'll be taking you around this approved used Motor Match vehicle. Today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Toyota Yaris 1.5 VVT-h Excel E-CVT, which is a petrol hybrid automatic. This vehicle is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Titan bronze metallic. To start off with, then you have your LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with this, you also have your 17-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels with a two-tone finish, really complementing the Titan bronze exterior colour. You have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire. Moving to your boot, you have an ample amount of boot space. You could easily fit in a small cabin-sized suitcase or perhaps several bags of shopping. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the grey leather and fabric cloth upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, good for small children's car seats. Moving in through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan round again, you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort on any journey. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your cruise control, hands-free options, and of course your volume control, allowing you to do several things via the touch of your fingertips. Taking a look at your digital dash, you can see that this vehicle has done 17,103 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you need, including your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. You also have your Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. You also have access to AM/FM radio, Bluetooth audio, as well as Miracast connection. Along with this, you also have your rear view camera, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. You have a dual zone climate control where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust the airflow and the airflow direction by using the buttons. You have a USB port. You can also find your gear stick. Along with this, you also have your different driving mode buttons, your parking brake and your auto hold. RAC extended warranty is available. All our vehicles are subject to a £150 administration fee. Included in this is a provenance check. For more information, you can call us on 01785 899 474 or inquire online now.